Hi, my name is Oleg, and today we're going to be talking about one of the stable coins that you can currently get at a discount, and at the moment of recording of this video it's trading at about 6% discount, and meaning that you can get a stable coin that's supposed to be worth $1 for 94 cents. And if that sounds good to you, then let's go ahead with the video. And the first thing that I want to start with is that this stable coin is called Trunk, and Trunk is part of the Elephant Money protocol, which consists of Elephant token and Trunk token. And Trunk is a stable coin, so meaning that it's pegged to $1, or supposed to be pegged to $1. But the reason it's trading below the peg right now is because recently there was an exploit. Actually, I think it happened on April 12th, and it took them a while to get back on track. And at that point, the price of Trunk dropped significantly, meaning it lost its peg. But don't be worried about that, because exploits, they happen. Anything can happen. There are bad actors, there are hackers that are constantly trying to break or find flaws in the system, and that can happen to anybody. It doesn't mean necessarily that the system is bad. It means there are flaws that were exploited and now it's fixed. And to be honest, I really like this protocol and what they do. It's very innovative with the graveyard rebalancing, meaning that the dead wallet where they send the tokens is not actually just a wallet, it's a smart contract that rebalances itself. And then there is also the fact that the Elephant token, which is the reflection token, it's being burned when you mint Trunk, which is a stable coin. And the way you mint Trunk is you basically buy it for Binance USD, which is another stable coin on Binance Smart Chain, meaning also pegged to $1. And 25% of that Binance USD that you use to mint Trunk is going to go to buy back Elephant token, meaning reducing the supply and increasing the buying pressure, which supposed to drive the price of the Elephant token up. So it's a pretty interesting system, but this video is not about it. I'm just going to show you what Trunk is all about and how you can get your discount and basically get Trunk at 94 cents, which in the future is probably gonna go back up to peg and be $1. And I'm a little bit sad because yesterday I could have gotten 14 to 13% discount on this, but I was waiting for my Crypto.com my ledger address to get whitelisted, and eventually when I was trying to buy Binance USD, there is some bug in the Crypto.com app, and that's the one that I used to purchase crypto with the US dollars and then send it over whatever network I need to send it over. But there was some bugs, so eventually I had to buy USDC, which I was already whitelisted for, and yeah, I could have gotten it at 14% yesterday, and that's why the title of this video says 14%. But right now, there is still at 6%, and it's fluctuating a little bit. But I think in the next couple of days, it's going to go back to peg. The more people are going to invest into it, and it's going to restore its peg. So it's a good chance to buy a stable coin at a discount, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I was almost done editing the video, and I was gonna name this video something like I lost my chance for 14% discount on a stablecoin, because that's what it was at the day before I recorded, but literally 4 or 5 days later, right now, as I was almost done, the price of Trunk actually got even lower, and right now you can get it at almost 20% discount. As you can see, it started on May 9th at 11 p.m. It was at almost 22% discount, and right now it's at about 20% discount. So yeah, I guess the bearish market, because the market has been dropping significantly in the past couple of days, so this bearish market affected Trunk as well. And as I was thinking that I got it at a significant discount and was going to recover, you get even better discount right now. So I guess I'm going to have to change the title of my video. But yeah, looking at the volatility and what's happening with Luna ecosystem right now, with Luna price losing almost 80% in the past 7 days, and 80% in market cap, billions were wiped out, and UST trying to uphold its peg. I never thought I was going to see something like this, but yeah, I guess you just have to stay positive and believe that we will recover, which I think we probably will once this bearish period is over. We will be able to get back to peg, so just consider it to be a discount that is probably going to give you 100% return once it's back to peg and the market recovers. But still, do your own research and invest at your own risk. And with that said, let's get back to the video. So I'm right now on the Elephant Money page, and actually, let me go back one step, and as you can see, there is Elephant token, which is a reflection token, and there is currently 82 million USD value locked. This number was way higher before the exploit happened, but just to explain, none of the investors' funds got lost. The only thing that hackers were able to drain was the treasury, and that affected the price of both Elephant and Trunk significantly. But yeah, there is Elephant, which is reflection token, and then there is a Trunk and Stampede. Well, Stampede is you can call it Trunk, but it's more like a bonding mechanism, which I'm going to show in a bit. And this one actually pays you currently 86% on Trunk and 205% APR on Stampede. And as you can see, there is currently only 19 million locked. So if we go to Trunk, we can see that we can mint Trunk over here for Binance USD. That's why we need to get Binance USD, so we can mint it directly here on the website, or we can swap it on the Pancake Swap. And in order for you to do that, you're just gonna go let's see, you're gonna go down here and you're gonna click on Pancake LP Trunk BUSD, and it's gonna take you to this page. And as you can see currently, one Trunk, which is a stable coin, you can buy for 94 cents of another stable coin. So you get about 6% discount. If you mint it right here on the website, there is a 1% fee for minting, which is very insignificant. And we're gonna see what's cheaper, to mint it here or just swap it on the Pancake Swap, because there is a liquidity pair of BUSD and Trunk on the Pancake Swap. And as you can see, there's currently 86% APR on stake in Trunk. There is also Stampede. Stampede is more like a bond. If you're not familiar with a bond, meaning that you invest your principal, let's say $1,000, and that principal is basically burned, it's gone. But after that, you're getting 205% APR or 0.56% daily, and you can roll it or claim it. Right, and the same thing you can do with the Trunk. But when you stake Trunk, you don't lose your principal. You can withdraw it at any time. That's the difference with the Stampede and Trunk. But basically for Stampede, you also use Trunk. And it's up to you what strategy you're gonna use. If you need that money available readily, then I would just suggest staking Trunk, and that's what I'm going to do. But if you are not planning to use any of that and you just want to get a higher return on your stable coin, then you can definitely use Stampede and bond your Trunk and get 205% APR, which is about, I believe, 677 or something like that percent APY if you compound daily. But I probably wouldn't do it because the mechanism here is pretty complicated and the gas fees are pretty high. So, and the difference between compounding daily and weekly is not that big of a difference, so you might as well compound weekly and save a little bit on the gas fees because it's going to be a little bit pricey. You can also just stake it without bonding, and you can get currently 86% APR, which is, if we look at the APR to APY calculator, let me go ahead and put 86. Yeah, if we do it weekly, this is 134% APY if we compound weekly. So basically we're more than doubling our investment over the course of the year. So that's pretty good. And considering the fact that I'm about to buy it at a discount, I'm gonna get extra, I think about 5% if I do it right now. So we're gonna get extra discount on top of this huge APR that we're getting for this stablecoin. So let's just go ahead and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So the first thing that you're gonna do, you can go ahead here to reserve, and you're gonna go ahead and click the mint tab, and you need to have some BUSD, but since I don't have it, because as I already mentioned, there was some issue with crypto.com buying BUSD for whatever reason, so I got USDC. So I'm probably gonna swap it on the PancakeSwap, but just to show you how to do it here, first what you need to do is you need to enable BUSD, and it's gonna take you to your MetaMask, and you have to approve the to give permission to your BUSD. So you're gonna click confirm, and since I'm on the ledger, I have to approve it physically. It's just gonna take a little bit of time, but as you can see, approve, and now we approved. So let's just say I have 999. Oh yeah, that's right. I don't have any BUSD, so it's not showing me. But it will show you how much trunk you probably would get. And then you can just click mint. And I think the new thing after the changes, after the exploit, is that you have to claim it. But yeah, this is how you would do it if you were to do it through the elephant.money website. But I'm just gonna go ahead to trunk BUSD, and again, to go here, you just have to scroll down and click on Pancake LP trunk BUSD. You click on that, and it's gonna land you over here, and it's gonna show you how much trunk you're gonna get for how much BUSD. So you can click trade right here, and as you can see, it's been fluctuating quite significantly, and this is when the exploit happened on April 11, and yeah, as you can see, it dropped almost 40% at that point in time, and then it recovered, but then some people were selling it for quick profit, so it was going down a little bit and then recovering again, but overall the trend is going back up. Yeah, and as you can see, we have trunk already here in BUSD, but we need the other way around, so we're just gonna click this arrow down, and it's gonna swap it for us. And actually I need USDC now. Yeah, Binance pegged USDC since we're on Binance Smart Chain, and I'm gonna connect my wallet. And as you can see, I have 999 USDC. So if I'm gonna select the whole balance, you can see that the route it's gonna take is gonna buy Binance USD for USDC first, and then because we have the BUSD trunk pair, it's gonna swap BUSD for trunk. So I wanted to just go directly with BUSD, but I wasn't able to. But if you can, just go that route. Yeah, as you can see, the liquidity provider fee is gonna be $5. I think it would have been a little less if I were to buy it directly with BUSD, but it is what it is. So it says that I'm gonna receive about 1,047 trunk for 99. So yeah, I'm basically getting 5% discount. Make sure to set your click on the settings icon and set your slippage tolerance. I believe it should be at 1. So let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, and it's gonna say minimum received is gonna be a little bit less because we increased our slippage tolerance. But let's go ahead and do that. Swap. Price, accept. Minimum received, and I'll click confirm swap. I'm gonna confirm, and I'm gonna have to approve it on my ledger. So if you use Ledger, you're also gonna have to do the same thing. And transaction submitted. I'm gonna copy the token address, and I'm gonna add it to my MetaMask while this is happening. as you can see, trunk and custom token, and as you can see, it already got swapped, and now I have 1052 trunk that I basically bought for $1,000 of, or I should say 1,000 USDC, right? So I got a 5% discount on my trunk, and that's how you can get this token right now at a discount. Again, none of the information in this video is financial advice. This is for your education. This is all up to you. Do your own research, but this is the stable coin that is going for a discount right now, and that pays you at least 86% APR currently, and that you can stake and unstake at any moment, or 205% APR if you bond it. And I'm gonna stake it right away, so let me quickly show you how to do it. So to stake it, you just go here to the stake section, you click the deposit tab, and it's already shown that I have 1052 trunk tokens. So I'm gonna click stake to enable staking. And yeah, I'm gonna have to enable staking. Again, I'm gonna have to approve it. All right, and it's gonna take a while. We can check the status right here in MetaMask. As you can see, pending and approved. Yep, and as we can see, the toggle just switched. So now I can just, I don't know if I can click, but let me put 1052. I'm gonna click deposit, pay a small gas fee, and approve the transaction. Accept and send. Yeah, and as you can see, I have my 1052 trunk deposited, and now I'm gonna be earning staking rewards on my trunk that I got at a 5% discount. And that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up to help YouTube algorithm. If you want to see more stuff like that, please subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you all in the next one.